Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out Cheer Fun's LCD drawing tablet. So these drawing tablets are not just fun for kids, but also for adults as well, because these drawing tablets allow you to create different stuff, allow you to write down notes, or allow your kids to draw. There's tons of different things you can do with these. So this is what this one looks like. It's pretty cute. You have your pen right in the front, so I like that they put the pen in the front. On the back you have a lock and unlock button. So what this button does is, if you have it on lock, so it's on lock right now, and let's go ahead and just draw a little bit. So this is how it works. You draw on it, and as you guys can see here, that when you draw on it, you can do whatever you want. You can write down notes, you can draw pictures. Now, if you would press this little blue button up here, nothing happens. It's locked. But if you would unlock it and now press that button, it's gone. So it's an infinity tablet basically, and you can just keep doing different stuff, and you can save it by pressing the lock. That means it cannot be erased, and when you want something new, you just unlock it from the back. You just slide this little white button and press the blue button, and now you can go ahead and write something else. So again, these tablets are great for many different things. Tic-tac-toe, you can do games, drawing, notes, business, so much more they can be used for, guys. So I think you're going to be happy with it.